everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. As you can see in the title, I'm coming back with another cleaning yes, I got gum in my mouth, y'all. Just work with me. Yes, I'm coming back with another cleaning motivational video. Yes, woo woo. And this time I'm going to be cleaning the inside of my refrigerator. It's crunk again. And reason being, I don't give a reason why. That's why, because it is. All right. So if these videos don't help you, then I hope you find the right video for you, because this one just may not be for you. Just may not be, but if it is, okay. Enough of this talking. Oh, make sure you're subscribed. But enough of this talking. Let's get into this video. All right. I recently just went shopping, so my refrigerator is nice and full, as you can see, but it's also nice and crunked and uncrunked, yes, it's a word, anyway. And so, yes, I need to get this stuff together. This actually doesn't look too bad, it's just really unorganized. All of the cleaning products that I am using in this video are from Grove, and I'm using the multi-purpose cleaner from Method. Absolutely love it, and I get it in the grapefruit scent. If you want to find out how you can receive some free cleaning products or the latest promotions that are going on with Grove, make sure you click that link in the description box. As y'all see in that corner right there, that is my children's pumpkins drying. We actually vlogged it as painting and doing a whole bunch of fun fall activities, so make sure you guys check out that vlog. Alright, this is what the fridge looks like. I have my eggs over here. I need to buy some more. These are getting pretty empty. But anyway, I got my Florida tortillas and bread. That's like my bread section right there. My fruit section. My drinks are like all right here, and some applesauce. I have like I try to organize it to like the pre-cooked almost stuff, like the biscuits, the cookies, and that stuff here. Then I put like my cheese, butter, dairy type things right here. Then here are like my sauces, and then here are like things I put on salads and spreads right there. Then down here I separated my fruits so kids can grab apples. They can grab whatever they want here. Then they can also come here for extra. Then over here is more vegetables, lettuce, carrots, celery, and all that type of stuff. And then I have my spinach sitting right here. And in here, even though it may look crazy, it's organized to me. Got same again, pre-cooked stuff, some more pre-cooked stuff. These are actually sweet potatoes. Got little taquitos and stuff that I can grab easily for quick dinners. And then I put some ice cream here, and then I had some extra French fries sitting right here. Alright, I hope you guys are feeling motivated now to get your fridge nice and organized and cleaned. I need to do that. It was, as you see, it was definitely a must, and hurry up and getting done. I'm happy that it's done. If you haven't, make sure you are subscribed. Hit that bell button so you guys can know when my latest videos are posted. Definitely don't forget to sign up for my email list so you guys can know about all the extra and exciting things that are going on behind the scenes. And all you need to do is go to SimplyBeingSabrina.com. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah!